Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on threads with good settings. So right here like this. Then this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about threads and you will click in this window. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of threads. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.